You're working awfully hard. Gray, oh, look at you. Look at you. You're up on your knees. I know. It's hard. It's hard work. Look at you. You're getting close. Here. Look at Sophie. Oh, you see the blanket pattern? Yeah, you like that, huh? I think you're more frustrated than anything. You see Sophie? Oh, look at Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Dad says Sophie's a bitch, but you like Sophie. We won't call her mean names like that. Show Dad how you try to crawl. Show Dad how you try to crawl. Show Dad. Hi, Dad. I'm still drooling. Right? I'm still drooling. I'm still drooling. Hi, Dad. Hi. Hi. Here, come see Sophie. Come right over here and get Sophie. There she is. You can do it. See the legs? Look at those legs. Wow, bud. Head down, legs up. You're doing your own little downward dog. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, Nellie. Look at you go. Okay. Have you had enough? Yeah. Okay. Bye, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi. Here's my whole body. See me swimming? I'm still bald. Bye. Bye. We love you. We miss you. Bye.